points that we subdivided. And these are going to be the ones that we moved out. Now we can disable the preview on the previous portion of this and connect the start to the endpoint. Now, if you're getting lost or you don't know what I'm doing here, and also if you're seeing things a little bit different, make sure that you have display, draw icons, draw fancy wires, and draw full names. That is how I'm displaying my information here. But also you can always download this and see how it's plugged in if you get stuck somewhere. So now that we have this, we're going to turn it into a surface. So we'll go to Loft. Now the options here, we're going to go to Loft Options, right click, and change it from normal to straight. And then go to Commit Changes. When you do this, it'll turn all of those into their own individual surface. And so we can now hide those line segments if we need to.